What's going on, YouTube? In this video, I want to share with you 5 ways that you can make money on websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork with absolutely 0 skills. Let's get into it. Okay, I'm about to share with you 5 ways, maybe even a couple more ways that you can make money on Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork with absolutely 0 skills. But I want you to take something into account. I'm going to say it now, but I'll show it to you more later in the video. So when you're starting one of these accounts, like, you got to think about, like, what business do I want to pursue, right? If you need money, it's great that you're getting online to make money, but you're also going to need to think about that long term. Like, how do I turn this gig, this way to make money online right now, into a full-time business, right? Because you're always going to need money. So I'm assuming that you're going to want to make money in the future, not just today. So let's get into them. Number 1 is website testing. So sometimes people just need help. They designed a website or they designed an app and they need some help getting that together. So what I want to do right now is, like, you can go to a site like Fiverr. So we have a couple gigs here. People, starting at $85, $200, $10, $25. Here, let's check on this one for $10. Now, also note that when you're first starting out and you need to get jobs on websites like Fiverr, so you want to start your gigs low. So you want to start with a low starting point. Now, this person has 102 reviews, so they've done at least 102, maybe more jobs like this. So in their basic, so they're going to say, this package offers 1 quick test of your app, quick review of your website, 1 device. So they're going to do it. They're going to test 2 pages. They're going to test scenario testing, summary. They're going to give a summary report that's actually really good, annotated screenshots. So that means, like, as they go through the website or app, they're going to test. They're going to take pictures, like screenshots of what they find that maybe something to be noted inside there. And it's all for $10. And then Fiverr is really cool because you can have upper levels too. You can have standard and premium, so you can have upsells while you do it. Super easy to do. You don't have to, you don't have to have skill for this. You just need to go through and test it. They just need people to go through their website and test it and tell them what is going on with their website, like what needs to be fixed and things like that. It's a lot easier to hire somebody to go through it as a third person rather than to do it yourself. The second thing that you can do with absolutely no skills on websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork is remove backgrounds for photos. Sometimes people want to remove the background from a photo and they want to do something with that photo, like usually a picture of themselves or something like that, and you want to remove the background. It's a really cool feature. So let me just go over to Canva right now, because you can use Canva for this. Now there is, you're going to have to do, you can get a 30-day free trial. Now you can get a 30-day free trial when you first start with Canva, but just keep in mind that if you're going to do this for 30 days, don't start your trial until you get the job. Put the gig out there, and when someone hires you to remove the background, then you can come over and you can start your 30-day trial, and hopefully you get more jobs in that 30 days before your free trial runs out or before you have to spend some money on it. All right, so after you load your picture up, make sure you click on it and then go under Effects, and you can click Background Remover, and it's going to remove the background. Boom, just like that. And now you have perfectly set up. I think it does a really good job. I've used other apps. I think Canva's really good for that. And then they can have a clear a picture of themselves with the background removed, and then they can use that picture and put it almost anywhere on any social media post, any website, or things like that. Then you just click download, and then once you download it, you just upload the file back into Fiverr. The next one I have for you is SEO Reports. SEO Reports is really cool because sometimes people just need to know, like, how is my website doing as far as SEO goes? And if we go into Fiverr again, you can see there's a bunch of people doing SEO reports, SEO audits, starting at $30. Let's check out this guy over here. And for $30, manual SEO report in a video format, in-depth analysis of your website, checkup of all SEO elements, site SEO audit, index optimization, XML sitemap. So you could just put something in to that nature, or you can check some other ones out. Check out the top rated sellers. They usually have the best one. Starter SEO report of your website, including recommendations and 1 competitor website analysis. So that's really good too. You can always just punch in on Google. You can go free SEO tools, and then you'll get a bunch of free SEO tools right here. I usually ignore the ads, and then what I do is I'll come down. I like Neil Patel. I like his, he has a free one, and it's pretty good. So you'll get one report for free, so you can start it for free, and then after that you'll have to pay a monthly fee, or he does give a deal for a yearly fee if you want to do it like that. But all you have to do is you come over to Neil Patel, and then you can come over to the SEO Analyzer. And then from here, you just put in the website URL and you click Analyze Website, and it's going to give you a printout. It's going to give you an SEO report. And what you can do is, you can't download it, but you can take screenshots, and then you can upload those into your file inside of Fiverr or wherever you're going to do it. Number 4 is creating banner ads. I'm sure a lot of you have ever been on a site, you're searching around the web, and you're on a site and you get hit with all the ads that show up, that pop up, just like this one over here. I searched for best cars for 2021, and this site, there's a banner ad up top for car ads, and then you look over on the side. Here's another advertisement for Volvo, another advertisement for Capital One. And here's going to be another one here. It showed up. But anyways, that's what you can do. And then just like we were showing over on Fiverr, just like right here on these banner ads, this is what he's showing. Those are the same kind of ads, and sometimes people need that stuff. So what you can do is you can go to a site called bannersnack.com, and you can create these ads. So it looks very similar to Canva as I'm looking at this. And then you can just pick a template. You can just click on one, free Spanish courses. And then you can always change the course. You can always pick a different one over here. They're going to give you a bunch of templates, and you can pick a different one. You can change the text right here. You can change the pictures if you want. This is very similar to Canva, as I can tell. And then you can, add different photos. You can upload if you needed to. They have different templates, different text that you can add. You can change that. You can change elements, brand logos, brand elements. Uploads right here. So here's where you would upload, add buttons if you wanted to. That's very cool. Backgrounds, animators, so you'd have to go through and learn it a little bit, but some of it's really simple. So totally free, and you can set this up, and then you can do banners for $5. All right, so $5. He's done 1,870. There's 1,870 reviews here for this guy. So for $5, standard 45, you will get 11 most popular Google ad sizes. For sizes, please check our FAQ. All right. When you're creating your gig inside of Fiverr, definitely find somebody to model. You can just take all the FAQs, the frequently asked questions, and you can put them into your gig when you're building your gig. So that's number 4, building your banner ads. Last but not least is commenting or adding backlinks. So this is a really good one, especially if you have no skill. You can do this so easy. Sometimes people need help on their blog. They're looking for comments on their blog. They want comments on their social media posts maybe, or they want comments on their YouTube video. So this is like a great way for you to get in there, start making money online. So let me just show you real quick. We'll do the same thing again. Let's open a new tab here. So same thing again, we'll go into Fiverr and we'll say commenting. Punch in commenting. I will do 120 do follow blog comment backlinks. So they're doing backlinks here. I will do 55 niche relevant manually commenting blog. But as you can see, the backlinking is very popular. I will make highly quality backlinks using blog comments. All right, so I'm just gonna go to this blog and then see, can we comment down below? Can we comment? Okay, so here you can comment. Start the discussion. Okay, so you can make a comment right here, and then what you would do would be like, this was a great article. Check out Fiverr.com for more resources. What you need to do here, you would add the link, so you could just go in, this is the link button. Okay, so yeah, then you would just go on somebody's blog, and then you could just type in, it's like, hey, you go around to different blogs and you make comments. If somebody wants you to comment on their blog, or if they want backlinks, you go in there and comment on someone else's blog, say, hey, check out this blog if you want to learn more, and it would direct people over to like that other person's website, like your client's website. Super easy to do. Definitely highly recommend that you check that out. So if you want to make money without any skills on websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork, like this is something so easy that you can do, and you can do this right now. Now, like I said, I wanted to talk to you about, how are you going to grow this as a full-time business, right? If you need to make money right now, you probably need to make money in the future. So let's talk about how we can keep that going for yourself now and into the future. Now I want you to take into consideration, like if we go to this one right now, this is a, I will provide SEO report, so this guy's a top rated seller. He's got 927 orders. So this is an SEO report. He has different packages there, but if we go check out the seller, I want you to look at this. So let's go check out his profile. Now, as you can see here, he's got 5 different gigs, all 5 different, 5 different things. So he's going to do, I'll provide SEO report. I will 150 SEO backlinks, white hat manual link building service. I will high quality do follow SEO backlinks. So more with backlinking. I will build SEO backlinks through blogger outreach. Okay, so this way he's going to go and outreach to other bloggers and have them put links in. I'll complete monthly SEO service with high quality. So there's all different things here. He's got 5 different services, but they all relate to SEO and websites, right? They're all going to be all in the same niche. So what you want to do and what I recommend to you, whether you pick out website testing, removing backgrounds, like if you're going to do removing backgrounds, well, then your business should be modeled around design work, right? So now you're going to have to, not only can you do this start for free and make money, but now you're going to need to learn some design skills so you can further your design building, your design business, and start making more with design. If you did SEO reports, that's again going to go with the website. You could do website testing, SEO reports, and then the commenting, right? There's 3 right there. You could build the business off those 3 right there, which I highly recommend that you would do. Have all your gigs put together so that someone sees you as an expert in that field, right? So if you're going to do the removing the backgrounds, well, you should have other things. You should do the removing backgrounds. Oh, I can also create you banner ads. It's a creative thing. Also do other designs, like maybe thumbnails. Doing thumbnails is very easy. You can do that on Canva. You can, any kind of thumbnail. You can do thumbnails for podcasts, for YouTube, for social media post designs. So you can do all these things, but I would just pick one avenue and go after it. Do a little bit of research for yourself if what I mentioned isn't for you, but I would definitely go that route. So if you want any more advice on how to grow your business on Fiverr, definitely check out the videos here on the end screen, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.